Man, when it's nice out like this, it feels like we all should be outside enjoying the day. Good job, guys. So this is a pretty nice open area. Pretty far away from roads and stuff like that, so it's kind of nice. Except that I do have to make my way to a garbage bin. Yeah, but so right now we're actually kind of in the middle of a field and we're walking kind of mid-field. You can't tell, but in this, like without all the snow, we're kind of in like half a foot at least, or a foot of grass. But yeah, so gorgeous. Look at that. Endless blue skies. Good job, guys! Good girl, Maggie! Good girl, Kate! Oh, look at all of them run towards me. Good job, guys! They're like, is she giving out treats? Suckers! Yeah, this is how I untrain them. No, they're all good. Actually, like these guys, they're like, Chewy's definitely not hugely food motivated. He's adventure motivated. So when we're out here, he's like, yeah, I'll get treats later. I'd rather run and explore. But yeah, it's so great to see these guys out. Oh, poor Kate. That's the thing with pups, I find, with sort of curly hair. Longish curly hair is that it all the snowballs up. Like Jasper just had a heck of a time with it because Jasper has curly fur, curly longish fur. So good girl. But like, yeah, dogs like Maggie and Chewy, like Chewy, I guess Chewy has some longish hair, but like they struggle a lot less. And same with Sissy. Like it's just because I guess, you know, it's just hard for ice balls to form when there's hardly any hair to form it on. Good job, guys. Yeah, so we're gonna be here an hour and a half. We'll kind of see where this kind of leads us. But as you can see, like, it's pretty isolated, which is nice. Like, there's just no one else around. Good boy, Chewy. Good job, guys. Good girl, Sissy. Good job, guys.